Let's get your ice maker ready. Join us for its first cleaning, first ice, and a quick guide to its helpful lights. Gently wipe the exterior with a dry cloth. Pour in clean water, plug in the unit, then press and hold the clean button for 3 seconds to start the 5-minute cleaning cycle. Unplug the machine, remove the drain plug, and drain all water from the unit. After draining, put back the drain plug. Your Nugget ice maker is now ready to use. Maintain 6 inches of clearance around the machine. Recommended ambient temperature is 59 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the ice basket and fill the water tank. For best results, use filtered, purified, or bottled water. Place the ice basket inside and plug in the power cord. Press the start button to begin. The machine will start making ice. The ice will gradually accumulate until the basket is completely full. When the basket is full, the full indicator will light up. Open the lid and remove some ice to resume production. As the machine is not insulated, ice stored inside may slowly melt over time. We recommend transferring unused ice to your freezer for longer storage. Press the start button once to begin the ice making process. The ice indicator will light up. During operation, press the stop button once to halt production. In standby mode, press and hold the clean button for 3 seconds to activate self-cleaning. The clean indicator will illuminate. Press the button again to stop the cleaning cycle. When the water reservoir is empty, the refill indicator will light up and the machine will stop ice production. When the ice basket is full, the full indicator will light up and the machine will stop ice production. We hope you found this video helpful. Looking for more inspiration or have any questions? Visit euhomy.com and connect with us anytime.